Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making a vegetarian cabbage soup. A warm and flavorful soup perfect for anyone seeking a delicious cabbage recipe. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 1/4 of cabbage, 1/4 of onion, 1/3 of carrot, 1 teaspoon of vegetable bouillon powder, 3 cups of water, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Cut cabbage, carrot, and onion into bite-sized pieces. Step 2. Put cut vegetables, vegetable bouillon powder, and water in a pot and boil on medium heat. Step 3. Lower the heat and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the carrot and onion becomes tender. Step 4. Season with salt and pepper to your taste, and turn off the heat. Serve in a bowl and savor this hearty and warm vegetarian cabbage soup. I hope you enjoy this vegetarian cabbage soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.